How to log out of Mitrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can log out of the Mitrade application on your Android device. First of all, launch open the Mitrade application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go to the Hub button at the bottom right corner. Now inside the Hub menu, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see the Settings button. Tap on it. And on the next page, at the very bottom, you'll see the Logout button. Select the Logout button and click on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged out of your Mitrade account. You can sign back in any time using your credentials. So that's how you log out of your Mitrade application using your Android device. The same process can work for iOS device as well. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.